Okay, so let's draw it. And where does it cross the x-axis? At your negative 2 and 2. Right. But I want from 0 to 3. I should draw this a little better. So I want this and this, correct? You with me there? If this was an integral, I would find this negative, and add them together. Or subtract this out, whatever way you look at it. That's not what I'm doing now. What I want is I want this and this absolute value of those. Because I don't want to have the negative be an issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the integral from 0 to 2, 4 minus x squared dx. Now we know it's positive on that interval, correct? I'm going to go ahead and put absolute values. So I know whoever's grading my paper that I knew that. Then I want the integral from 2 to 3, 4 minus x squared dx. And I know that's negative, so I definitely need absolute values there. That is the total geometric area. Does that make sense? Basically, if I take the absolute values, it's saying I don't want to look at those negatives. I don't want them to cancel out. So, let's go ahead and work this. What's my antiderivative? 1/3 x cubed. Evaluate it from 0 to 2. And I'll work on the other one in a second. So when I do that, plug in 2, I get 8 minus 8/3. Plug in 0. Ooh, I like that. I get 0. Let's go ahead and work on the other one before we finish that one out. This one, the one thing is if once you have one of them, isn't the second one easy? It should be the same antiderivative from 2 to 3. So when I plug in 3, I get 3, I get 12 minus what?
27.
Which is 9. Yeah, I kept hearing something thirds, and I'm like, no. Minus, now 2 we've already plugged in, we get 8 minus 8/3, right? Yes, no? Yeah. And 8 minus 8/3 times by 3, 24 minus 8, 16/3. Plus, that'll give me 3 minus 16/3. With me there? Common denominator, 3 over 3, 9 minus 16, which is what? Negative, right? Then take the absolute value, so I really have 16/3 plus 7/3, which will give me 23/3. That is the true area there. We actually just looked at area, not negatives. Now, if I just took an integral, 0 to 3, the whole region, we'll go ahead and do that on your calculator. Make sure you know how to do them. Go ahead and do that.